Recently in California, there was a shooting in the state capitol that left 6 people dead and a dozen wounded. Thus far, police have arrested 3 prior felons of the suspected 5 shooters. The felons were all prohibited from owning or possessing firearms and have been charged as such under California's strict gun control laws. But immediately after this tragic event, the governor of California and the president of the United States called for more gun control. One must ask themselves, what more can gun control do if they broke the law without regard to gun control laws that obviously apply to them? We also need to ask why one of those felons that was supposed to serve 10 years in prison was released well before serving half his time. The state of California, led by Gavin Sits-Down to P. Newsom and his administration, failed the people of the city where he works. This despicable act happened blocks from where Gavin Newsom is protected by men armed with what he called weapons of war. Gavin will tell you his job is to protect you. He will tell you disarming people will keep you safe. While you count on the civility of perfect strangers throughout your days for your safety, he is worry-free behind a military-grade layer of protection. Make no mistake, with all we know about the facts of this tragedy thus far, those people were murdered and injured in part to the state of California releasing a dangerous felon onto the streets of Sacramento with the express written concerns and objections by the prosecuting district attorney delivered to a judge and the decision makers on early parole for that felon with an extensive violent criminal record. What kind of new gun control laws could have prevented that fatal error and failure by those charged with the care of our republic, or would give comfort to the grieving families of those victims? I can't mince words. If you think more gun control that will only apply to you and I would have prevented this massacre, you're a fucking idiot. You're an idiot also if you put your safety in the hands of government or complete strangers. Live free or die.